Here we go, fourth graders. I apologize for yesterday's video not sounding very good. It might have been me messing with my computer, trying to get all the light, but this one should go a lot better. So, here's what you need to do for Tuesday, September 15th. First of all, let me say that I hope you are having a good day. I know that working at home is different, but what I want to talk about with you today is this. What are things you do when you get frustrated? So I tried mentioning this in yesterday's video, but what I do is I will do belly breathing. I also like to go work out, so I'll go for a walk, or I'll go for a run, or I might do some exercises to burn off any frustration. I find that just sitting there and being frustrated and doing nothing never helps. So I like to do that. Or I go in and I get some space. If I'm getting frustrated at home, say by my boys or my wife, because sometimes we have disagreements, I might need some space too. So I'm curious what you do when you get frustrated. What are things you could do at school? What are things you might need to do at home? So go to Seesaw and make that video. What I want to show you is when you want to make a video, you again click the screen add. Yours goes to student work, and then you click the video. And I can't because I'm making a video right now. Make sure that you click the green check mark to submit things, and again, the directions are right here for what you're doing. For reading, what you should have done yesterday was to read one of those passages and then do the graphic organizer with it. So please make sure that you did that yesterday. Today what you're going to do is this. You're going to answer this question. We read Stellaluna as a class. I have included a read-aloud of the story if you don't remember it or for some reason you missed some of it. Answer this question. Have you ever felt like Stellaluna? Think of how she felt when she met the birds and tried to be like the birds. Have you ever felt like she did? If so, tell me about it. If not, explain how you think she felt in the story. For writing, you're going to watch this video on dialogue and make changes to your writing from yesterday. So that writing from yesterday is this narrative with the date on it. That's yesterday's date. So that is the writing. So it's not new writing, it's just changing what you did. But first you must watch the video to make those changes. And then math, green box for at least 20 minutes. I hope you have a good day. Please message me on Seesaw or on here if you have any questions. I would love to help you. I miss you, and I will see you on Thursday.